Say hi. Hi guys, I am back here with another snack review, and today, of course, we'll be trying Turkish snacks, which I never had. This will be my first time, and I'm kind of excited because if you watched the last video, the most recent video I did, it was the Mexican, and it was quite different. It kind of shocked me. I really didn't expect that from that candy. I mean, I feel like every country, of course, is gonna have their differences, but at the same time, I don't know. It just wasn't in me to think that candy could be spicy or like taste like seasoning salt. I mean, I thought it was just like maybe they like a different fruit or something. I didn't necessarily think they had it like on their candy too. And I'm freaking out about like, if you didn't watch the video, you can just go click on it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can see it. But I'm back. This is like a big old vanilla wafer. I'm gonna put that to the side. I don't want that to be the first one I try. Itty Chin pizza crackers, popping candy, look like a sour head. This the brownie that was one of the only words I could read. Hospice, look like vanilla wafers, but chocolate. They got a lot of green. Is it green? Am I saying it right? Kind of the same thing. I definitely don't know how to pronounce it, but there it is. I don't know how to pronounce it. Oh wow, what is this? Cacomel Pafati. I don't know. Another wafer. 9 cat tat. And Chew Buck Cracker. Crispy. Baharatali. I have no idea if I'm saying this girl right. Have no idea. Well, gonna start with the cacomel, because it's little and small and it looks like it's easy to open. Got like a little cracker on top. And I hope it's not marshmallow. I really hope. Oh no. No. I did. It looked good. But the sprinkles, the marshmallow, and then the cracker bag combo. Nope, not for me. Mm-mm. I swallowed it, but not for me. Mm-mm. No, no, no. Not my thing at all. What is the one word? Where is that at? That was funny that I wanted to see. Uh, Trying to see. There was one on here that sounded funny that I just said, and I can't remember what it was. The potty cake. It ain't no potty cake in here. I'm kind of sorry because I wanted to try that, but the brownie is definitely in here. What's up with them and sprinkles? Jesus. I definitely didn't want to be eating sprinkles. Like, I mean, with Mexican, it was spices. So I guess them, they like grain and sprinkles. This starting to feel like, I mean, just when I taste that, it made me feel like people put anything on bread. Anything. That's not nothing I like though, but it's aight. It ain't no like, ugh, get out of my mouth. It's aight. I just don't like it. Pizza crackers. Oh. This is what I just ate. This is what I'm about to try. It don't even taste like pizza. It tastes like regular crackers. I mean, after a couple crunches, you'll taste like the crust of a pizza. You would get that taste in your mouth. But other than that, it tastes just like crackers. Like when you first taste it, that middle taste, that's when you taste it. But after you start eating it, it go away. That's kind of odd, but it's a pizza crackers. I don't think I'm gonna try all this. It's a lot of bread. I ain't trying to be on the toilet, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make that. At least that. It's weird. It don't feel right. Popping on your tongue. Oh my god. Stop popping shit. Just uncomfortable. And then it's still popping. I feel it in my. Jesus, stop. At least I know that it wasn't lying. Jesus, oh my, I don't, I hear it probably in my jaw. Still popping, stop it. Okay, I'm trying to eat something else, see if it go away. This is Ixie Yes. The sour ball thingy. That was weird. I don't eat candy like that. I may grab on some chocolate, but nah, that had me paranoid. It is shower. And it's gum. Now, if I could have read that right, and I know what it meant, I would already know that. But it's sour and it's gum. I don't want to try the brownie. I'm gonna let my baby girl try the brownie, cause she about to get ready to go to Washington for the summer. So, congrats to her. She gets to chill out with her auntie for the summer. And I'm having a debate. Which one you think is good? This one or this one? This one look like got peanuts on it. Well, this got peanuts on the bag. I have no idea what it say, what kind of peanuts, how much peanuts. And look, it's bad because even if I try to see the difference, it ain't even in my dang language. Well, it ain't in my dang language. It's not in my dang language. I'm gonna try the one that don't got peanuts in it on the picture. And I may do like a part. I may do a part with all the ones I tried all together before I try another snack with my daughter before she leaves, because she asked me to do the video with me, but I told her no. So maybe I'll do something special with her before she leaves. This is how they look. Ooh, don't even taste like chocolate. They look like creamy something. I already know what these is. And they got the same little looker. You looker boy. Cornball. But they got the same little brand thing on there. I'm gonna try these. Only cause it got like the seasoning right there. This pack of pretzels is just regular and they look like regular old pretzels. You looker. Ah, this give me the same feeling. This dude, they put anything on anything to try to make it good or different or likable. I don't know, but I don't know if anybody eat that. So this, the humongous, whatever this called, and the peanut wafer thing, I'm gonna just pick with the leftover snacks from my other videos and, of course, the brownie. But I will put that in a part 3 of just different snacks from different countries, and I just put it all together. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'll name it, but like this video. Make sure you comment below if you ever tried any of them, or if you even like these poppet thingies, cause I don't. And make sure you subscribe if you don't mind. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.